how to delete multiple worlds in Minecraft Bedrock. So as you can see, when I go to play and go to my world right here, I only have 2 worlds, but yours might be different. You might have tons of world, might be in the tens or 20s. But basically, if you want to remove all of it at once, just simply go back right here and go to settings and just scroll down here on the left side till you see the storage option. So once you're there, just simply select on multi-select right here and click on the worlds here at the bottom, and now you could just select all the worlds that you want to delete. You could also delete world templates if you want, and of course the resource packs if you want. So just go right here. Once you're done and you've deleted all of the packs and worlds that you want, just simply click on delete here at the bottom and just confirm the delete button right here. And as you can see, it says deleting content. And when we go back and click on play, as you can see, the worlds are now gone. And that's how you basically delete multiple worlds at once in Minecraft Bedrock.